Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, you can see the Bollinger Bandwidth now continuing to bleed down there below 4. We're at 3.8, and you can see the band starting to consolidate. That's going to set up our next big move. Up, down, I don't care. It's going to be a nice one, as always. What you're seeing, though, is in this consolidation, you're seeing some higher lows. They tried to take it down yesterday, and they really couldn't finish. We're back up now in and around the area of the daily midband. Daily midband comes in today about 61. So the bulls have got to figure out daily midband. If the bulls can't figure out daily midband, then I'm going to spend at least a part of my day being short. There were some good shorts yesterday, and then when we came in to this low, we were able to catch a really nice looking long. And you know, in the overnight, you can see they're still struggling with the weekly pivot. 26.57 is your weekly pivot. They've got to convert weekly pivot, convert daily midband at 61. That 57 to 61 price, unless they can convert the whole thing and shift it into support, they're going to have a tough time coming back up to retest 77 to 80, which has been a problem along with last week's weekly pivot at 26.63. Okay, the other thing I neglected to mention, you can see I've added the new monthly pivot for May to this chart. It played around with the monthly pivot yesterday morning. It broke it. It had it converted. This was a done deal. Down below it for a couple of hours. You had rejection here. Then the real trouble started where you had support at the monthly pivot here, confirmed here, and then you had a big close. So monthly pivot support potentially, weekly pivot resistance. You got this 20 handle range with some noise up top. And that's why as you get out onto the daily chart, you're seeing this consolidation. But the consolidation is a good thing because it's going to get directional. Compression, expansion. We've had compression before this year. We had it back in early March. Yielded a nice move down. What's this one going to do? I don't know, but you know, we will be there when it starts. The trouble you can get into as a trader, especially as an inexperienced trader, is anticipating direction in a consolidation situation. You anticipate direction and you're wrong, especially on an up move, congratulations, you are the squeeze. Don't be the squeeze. Expansion moves run farther and longer than people ever expect, which means there's plenty of chances to get in and plenty of handles to be made if you're just patient and let the move develop. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out with some stuff on social. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.